Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can send money on Revolut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do that, you have to make sure you have downloaded the Revolut app on your mobile phone. Make sure it's an updated version. Then all you gotta do is log in with your number or email address of yours. Once you have logged into your account, you're gonna go ahead and go to the home screen directed, and from there go to the payments and transfers option. From there on, you have to select the option of send money. Once you have done that, you got to choose how you want to send money from the options. Once you have chose the method and the destination of your country and the currency and the amount, you're going to go ahead, select the bank recipient and add in the information like the bank number, their name, their security code if it's required. Otherwise, that should be enough of information. It will differ according to the country. Go ahead, provide it accordingly. And once you are done with that, again you have to review the information, the amount, the currency, and the recipient's information. Once you're done with that, you can tap on send and your money will be sent. And you will also be notified once it's done being delivered, and you can ask a recipient whether they have received it or not as well. That is basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.